to stop the infection, the spread of infectious diseases. I think more awareness in this in general is a good idea. I think people are not very educated around this thing. For example, sneezing on buses and stuff like that. People need to be more educated, and I think it's a good push against this whole anti-vaccine thinking that I think is very dangerous as well. So I'm definitely in favour of people covering up to spread disease. I think it makes sense.
It does the public good, and in a hospital situation I can understand the need to protect especially the young and the extremely elderly who aren't able to be vaccinated against these things. And so in a hospital situation, due to health being the primary concern, the driver of change in those areas, I think actually enforcing people to wear a mask is actually probably a really good idea. In terms of spreading it out to schools, myself being a primary school principal, I see a huge amount of difficulty in being able to do those things, especially with measles outbreaks and some of the indicators that we have to deal with around school closures and indicators and vaccination policies and processes in regards to who's vaccinated and who's not. It opens up a whole other can of worms.
I think that kind of policies could be advised to people, but not, put into actual law or anything. Just like washing hands to prevent the spreading of disease. I think they should be at about that level, not forcing people to do it. But maybe in hospitals, maybe. Yeah. That's about it.
Cool.
Oh, maybe yes, they would in Auckland because it's a big population and there's a lot of different people coming in and this country is certainly changing. And there's a lot of people not having vaccinations. And I've had the flu injection. I'm one of those people health-wise. Yes, I've had it. That people are getting scared or young families and children that you shouldn't have vaccination, and it's wrong. And it's wrong because I've grown up in a world, I had all the vaccinations, polio and everything, and you should have it.
I think it's important for the general public, so it's not inbound in a hospital. So it would be very better if that policy come to the schools and hospitals, because students and other people can get aware about it, so they can prevent from such fatal diseases if they make a mask.
They should bring masks because of some people have like infectious disease, and then when they go around people or in the public and hospitals, so they could pass other people. So I think putting masks is a good idea. Yeah, but sometimes when we put masks in, sometimes children or people may think, oh, this is horrible, but I think this is a good idea.
I think it's a good way to prevent, as there's more people coming to New Zealand and Auckland, I think it's good to kind of protect them. In terms of having it in, schools or even in public libraries, in my personal opinion, I think it might be a bit too extreme, just because if you compare it to places like Asia, our population isn't as dense, and so I feel like there's not that much of